When it comes to Mexican flavors, I just love the combination. A little bit spicy, a little bit smoky. And today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make my best ever chicken enchiladas. Step one is to get your oven grill nice and hot. Now this recipe calls for cored trussed tomatoes. Place your whole tomato straight down here on your cutting board. And then you see that little hole here. All we're gonna do is cut a little triangle, just moving the tomato around as you go and remove that core. Then you go ahead and place your tomato straight on a pre-foiled baking tray. And a chili, I've just split the chili in half lengthways, rub them with a little bit of olive oil and just move them around and then season with just a little bit of salt. So you stick the whole thing under the grill, okay? You're gonna have to turn them every now and then. Of course, they're gonna get really, really hot. The skins are gonna blister, that's what you want. Okay, so right up the top, in they go. While they're cooking, let's get on with the rest of the salsa. I love the spicy, tangy hit of a good salsa, and this one is a real winner. All right, first, we need some coriander. I actually take all of the leaves, that's beautiful for the garnish, but the stems also have a ton of flavor. Just remove the root, just like this, and then the rest of those stems, pick them up and stick them straight into your food processor. Go ahead and stick the lid on and just pulse it. Next up, we're gonna add a whole clove of garlic. Let's have a check of the tomatoes and the chili. Beautiful, that's exactly how you want them to look. You'll see the skin sort of chars and blisters almost off the tomato. Now, if you want to remove it, you can, although I kind of like that texture and I like that little bit of smoky char. Drop them into your food processor. The chili, you will have to just remove the top, pop those in, and we pulse. It really doesn't take very long, and you can see already this chunky salsa is looking very, very good. Now you can take this as smooth or leave it as chunky as you prefer, but I do kind of like that chunky texture, so that's exactly how I'm gonna leave it. We're gonna use this salsa a couple of different ways. First, we're gonna mix some through the chicken. To take a bowl, add your shredded Coles hot roast RSPCA approved chicken, and then about half a cup of that salsa and mix it together. So you take a large frying pan, pop it over a medium-high heat, a little bit of olive oil, and we add our potatoes. Once your potatoes are getting really nice and golden and crisp, just like that, go ahead and add your onions and your garlic and your zucchini. We're gonna let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a good mix, or a toss if you prefer. You've got to preheat your oven to 220 Celsius or 200 if you're using a fan forced oven. What we're going to do is toast our tortillas in a little bit of olive oil. It's a really important step because it allows them to be pliable but still have the body to actually hold the filling of the enchilada. You can see how it's got nice crispy edges, but look, still nice and flexible. Our veggies are now perfectly done. Now we're going to form a little production line. On a baking tray, spoon half a cup of your remaining salsa right along the middle. Next, grab yourself a tortilla, take 2 big spoons of that chicken mix and that beautiful veggie mix. Be careful, because what you're gonna do is carefully sort of roll it, and then with the seam of the enchilada facing down, you're gonna go ahead and place it straight down just like that. So just keep on going with the rest of the tortillas until you fill them up. Looking good. Okay, we bang them into the oven. They only need about 10 minutes or so until they get perfectly heated through, really nice and crisp, and then we finish them off with the salsa at the end. In they go. It's been about 10 minutes since I put the enchiladas in. The kitchen smells unbelievable. Let's go have a look. Oh, perfectly crispy on the outside, gorgeously heated on the inside. You get that leftover salsa, you spoon it straight down the middle. I have some spring onions. We can top with some of those. I also have that beautiful coriander. Just tear it straight over the top like this. We have a little feta. Of course, in Mexico, they use queso fresca, but this is just delicious as well, the little feta. Avocado. Oh man, my stomach is doing backflips. Now guys, I'm sure you've tried lots of different Mexican recipes, but these are my best ever chicken enchiladas. Yum. My family absolutely loves them, and I know yours will too. For more of my best ever recipes, head to the Coles YouTube channel or coles.com.au and check out my best ever recipe playlist.